Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be hard or time-consuming. With the right gadgets, you can sanitize your space quickly and more effectively. I've listed the best sanitizing Amazon gadgets that every home should have, from UV light tools to smart air purifiers and touch-free solutions. These products can help make everyday cleaning easier and more thorough. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Shark Stain Striker. With dual-activated solution automatically mixed in and ultra-powerful suction, this product delivers 20 times more stain-striking strength star. Ideal for pet messes, it permanently removes stubborn odors, even pet urine and smoke. Designed for carpets, upholstery, area rugs, and car interiors, it pulls embedded spots and makes fabrics look like new. Weighing under 9 pounds, it's easy to carry room to room, store compactly, and tackle stains wherever they happen around your home. Tramaco Easy Floor Guard. Designed to simplify shoe protection, this product uses adhesive plastic film from a pod dispenser so you simply step, pull, and tear. No bending required. Each rollout covers up to 187 shoe pairs, fits all shoe sizes, and allows layering each time you re-enter a workspace. The 2.45 ml film provides durable floor protection and is fully disposable and recyclable, offering a cost-efficient alternative to conventional shoe coverings on job sites and in homes. Joyzen Toothpick Dispenser. Equipped with a flip-style induction sensor, this product dispenses toothpicks touch-free. Approach to open, get a toothpick instantly, then it closes automatically. The 120 degrees tilt design ensures fast pickup while keeping fingers away from storage. A removable top enables easy cleaning and loading. Installation requires simply inserting batteries, not included, loading toothpicks, then holding the power button for 3 seconds to activate. Convenient for office or restaurant use. Sharper Image Window Vacuum Cleaner Kit. Combining vacuum, squeegee, and spray bottle into one cordless tool, this product makes streak-free cleaning of glass surfaces fast and compact. With up to 40 minutes of runtime between charges, it handles windows, mirrors, car windshields, and shower doors. The included spray bottle and washable microfiber pads tackle smudges before vacuum suction removes liquids without drips. Lightweight and simple to store, it's ideal for quick, efficient glass cleaning. Bitvi Toothbrush Cleaner. Offering fully automatic cleaning and 24-hour drying for toothbrushes, this product shows battery status, cleaning progress, and drying mode on its LED display. It holds 2 toothbrushes and uses fast USB-C charging with 1,800 mAh battery that lasts up to 30 days. Installation on smooth surfaces is simple using strong adhesives. It delivers hygienic drying and clear status updates at a glance. iTouchless Dog-Proof Trash Can. Featuring PetGuard lock technology to prevent pets from opening the lid, this sensor-activated product opens hygienically with hand motion only, eliminating contact. It includes an odor-absorbing filter that neutralizes smells and sends text reminders when filters need replacing. Made from fingerprint and rust-resistant stainless steel with a sleek rectangular design, it saves space and fits standard 13-gallon bags. No inner bucket needed means 25% more capacity and easy wipe clean surfaces. Evac Air Purifier. Utilizing true HEPA-13 filtration plus activated carbon, this product captures 99.7% of particles down to 0.3 micrometers and neutralizes odors. Infrared sensors activate a 1,000-watt suction motor when sweeping nearby debris. Auto mode begins a 4-hour purification cycle triggered by vacuum activation, and indicator lights alert when the canister is full or filters need replacement. Compatible filters sold under official model IDs ensure optimal performance and durability. Easy Foam Foaming Soap Dispenser. This dispenser uses a motion sensor to dispense foam from up to 2.75 inch away without touch. A rechargeable 3.7V battery is powered via USB-C. You can select between 2 foam volumes per zap, 0.04 ounce or 0.02 ounce. With IPX5 rated waterproof construction and materials like SUS 304, ABS, PET, It works well in kitchens or bath. The 280 milliliters tank is refillable and includes a 20-second self-cleaning mode to prevent clogs. Celamer Toilet Brush and Holder. Featuring a flat silicone brush head that bends to clean under rims and lift debris from toilet edges, this product ensures complete cleaning. Its holder base has drainage slots to eliminate standing water. Silicone bristles resist hair entanglement and won't scratch surfaces, making brush maintenance simple. The single-piece handle prevents water ingress and rusting. Together, this set delivers durable, hygienic performance with minimal fuss. HUEC Cordless Bed Vacuum Cleaner. Cordless and tangle-free, this bed vacuum delivers up to 10 kilopascals suction to extract deep dust and dander from bedding, mattresses, sheets, sofas, and carpets. Incorporating 253.7 nm UV light and a double-tap percussion function, it dislodges embedded dirt effectively. The 6,600 mAh battery offers up to 20 minutes on high speed, enough for most cleaning sessions. Its wireless design ensures convenience and portability across different household surfaces. Baby Feel UV Light Sanitizer. Featuring speedy UV sanitization for phones, keys, wallet items, toys, or beauty tools, the unit also offers a reflective large interior for 360 degrees coverage and requires no water, no cleaning, and no descaling. With a BPA, phthalate, and lead-free safety lock system and reliable U.S. family-owned brand backing, it delivers convenience and peace of mind. Ideal for busy households seeking hygienic results in just a few minutes. Papablic Bottle Washer Pro. Designed to wash, sterilize, dry, and store bottles, pumps, and toys in one countertop-friendly unit, this model features an angled control panel for easy one-handed use. Its precision spray jets and strong pressure ensure 99.99% sterilization, even handling scorched or spoiled milk. With capacity for multiple bottles or pump kits in microwave-sized dimensions, it streamlines kitchen routines, especially helpful for multitasking new parents. YoFuly Sterilizer for Esthetician. Engineered for estheticians and salons, the spacious double-layer sterilizer holds ample tools on movable shelves while offering full 360 degrees cleaning via optimized internal reflectivity. Built for longevity with smooth inner walls, it stays easy to maintain and resistant to wear. Simply choose your mode and let it run 15-90 minutes for spotless results. A time-saving and hygienic asset for beauty professionals or home facial care. Sowski Compressed Air Duster. Powered by a brushless motor spinning up to 150,000 RPM, this cordless mini blower offers 3 airflow levels to tackle everything from air ducts to car interiors. Its compact, lightweight form makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and the rechargeable 6,000 mAh battery delivers up to 100 minutes of runtime. USB-C recharging ensures fast power UPS. A versatile and efficient cleaning companion for home or on-the-go use. Rev2 Store Hand Dryer. Encased in sleek ABS polycarbonate, this hand dryer delivers powerful airflow to dry hands in seconds with energy efficiency. Its compact plug-in design suits small restrooms or home use and offers flexible wall mount or stand placement. Designed to protrude less than 4 inches, it features a touch-free sensor and dual warm/cool modes. A hygienic, high-quality solution that blends commercial performance with stylish convenience. Phone Soap UV Cell Phone Sanitizer. Equipped with germicidal UVC illumination inside a uniquely reflective chamber, the sanitizer cleans phones and small high-touch items while simultaneously charging via USB and USB-C ports. A decade of UV technology expertise supports its effectiveness. Simply place your item, close the lid, and in 10 minutes it emerges sanitized and powered up. A fast, effortless way to maintain hygiene nightly or anytime you clean your hands. Bobrick Sanitary Napkin Disposal. Built to endure high-traffic commercial restrooms, this sanitary napkin disposal features a satin-finish stainless steel housing and a leak-resistant molded receptacle with easy removal. ADA-compliant surface mounting and a self-closing panel keep waste concealed, while a robust tumbler lock prevents tampering. Designed for both hygiene and accessibility, it offers secure, maintenance-friendly disposal in shared or public restroom environments. The Scepter Salt Cell. Servicing all hot spring ACE models, the replacement salt cell plugs seamlessly into existing wiring for easy DIY setup. Performance is optimized by maintaining salt levels between 1500–1600 ppm before installation. A 1-year cell replacement warranty and accessible phone or online support simplify troubleshooting or returns. Customers benefit from a reliable, cost-efficient spa component backed by a dedicated support infrastructure. MagiCare Hand Sanitizing Wipes. Offering 2 resealable 100-count canisters, each wipe is generously sized and highly moist without added fragrance or irritants. Made with spun-laced non-woven material and containing just ethyl alcohol and purified water, the wipes clean hands effectively without oily or soapy residue. Designed for durability and simplicity, they're ideal for sensitive skin or daily use in home, office, or travel settings where hygiene and gentle formula matter. The original disinfectant fogger machine. Capable of fogging entire rooms in under 5 minutes, the device sprays a consistent fine mist at 2 to 4 foot reach without any preheating. Cordless and USB-C rechargeable, it runs up to 90 minutes per charge for uninterrupted, professional-grade cleaning across gyms, rentals, salons, or offices. With a 10 Oz capacity and portable design, it offers fast, efficient surface coverage wherever you need hands-free disinfection. Keeping your home clean and germ-free has never been easier with these 20 smart sanitizing gadgets from Amazon. From high-touch surfaces to everyday essentials, these tools bring both peace of mind and practical convenience to any household. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices on all the products we covered. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or family who care about a cleaner home, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss our latest tips, reviews, and product finds.